Hi, I'm Jenn Trepeck of Salad with a Side of Fries podcast. We're here in Mott Haven, South Bronx, to check out Charlie's with flavors of New York. Let's head inside. We are here with David Torres, one of the servers here at Charlie's.
Welcome.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming by.
It's sort of an institution, one of the first restaurants to sort of make this area restaurant row-ish, if you will.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit of the history.
Well, it's been 15 years. It's a staple in the community right now. Charlie, the owner, he's from Australia. Came into the neighborhood and made everything a family affair. So I love it over here. It's a real neighborhood feel. Everybody comes through is like family, and it's love the Mott Haven area.
So lots of regulars around here, and on the walls. Tell us about the artwork.
So over here we have all the wall of Charlie's. You have Charlie Brown, Charles Bronson, Charlie Murphy, Charles Barkley. Anybody with a Charles in it, they're there. You have Charlie's Angels. You have the starfish named Charles too. He's on there too. So you got a whole bunch of Charles. This is the Charles.
So we have the Brussels sprout Caesar with salmon, truffle fries, my favorite, the mushroom tacos, and the wings.
Oh, sweet chili wings.
Yes. So you love the sweet chili wings. What else do you love from the menu?
The sweet chili wings, baked truffle mac and cheese is real good. Our fish tacos is like the best ever right now. What else? Our salmon is real good. Can't go wrong with our salmon. And shrimp and grits. It's getting like a little down south feel, like the southern hospitality. So I love the shrimp and grits. It's real good too. Basically American style food. You know what I'm saying? Our burgers are real good. The Charlie's Fried Chicken Sandwich is one of the favorites on there right now. Everybody come for the Charlie's Fried Chicken Sandwich.
On the drink menu, we had a martini and some red wine, a little cab, one of my favorites. Tell us about the drink program.
Oh, well, our drink program was made by one of our bartenders that was here a while ago. You have the Purple Rain, one of my favorites, and the cab is from California, the West Coast cab. It's Stormy Range is a real good one. And we have our happy hour deals, 3 to 7. You get house margaritas, a house wine, the well drinks, and our draft beers.
Any other specials or nights of the week that everybody should know about?
Oh, so Monday through Friday from 12 to 4, we have lunch specials, $15. You get the burgers, tacos, the fries. Saturdays and Sundays, it's our brunch from 12 to 4. That's a real good deal right there. We have $25 all you could drink mimosas for an hour and a half, bellinis, and screwdrivers.
What's your favorite from the brunch menu?
Oh, I like the chicken benny. The chicken benny is real good with the waffle and the fried chicken, the sausage gravy. That's my favorite. It's on top right now.
What a historic location here in the Clock Tower building.
Yes. I'm learning more and more about the Clock Tower, but I hear it's definitely a staple in the community. I heard it was once called the Piano Factory, Piano Tower, something like that too. But yeah, it's been here for 2 years, and it's a staple neighborhood.
Excellent, and 15 years of Charlie's.
15 years.
So friends, for Flavors of New York, I'm Jenn Trepeck of Salad with a Side of Fries podcast. This was Charlie's. We'll see you next time.